Guys, it's Daniella. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually going to be pretty short and sweet. I wanted to make this standalone video pretty quickly because the items that I'm going to be using are at Dollar Tree right now and they are a part of their spring collection and they sell out pretty quick. Before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, and let's go ahead and get started with the details. Alright you guys, so the product that's going to shine in this video is the plant hangers. These plant hangers are only $1 each at Dollar Tree. They make the cutest wall shelves. Now, I'm pretty sure there's so many videos about this all over YouTube, but it's back in season, so I thought I'd bring it back. So you really only need 2 of them unless you want to make multiple, and it's super easy to make. You don't even need a drill or anything like that. You really only need glue or E6000. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright, so to start, we are going to be using 2 metal hanging plant brackets from Dollar Tree. I'm also going to use this old shelf that my sister gave me. I thought I'd repurpose it. I'm only going to be using the wooden part of this. You're also going to need a screwdriver, Gorilla Glue or E6000. And I'm also going to be using some command strips to hang my shelf. So we're going to start by removing the wood off of this shelf. You can find a piece of wood over at Home Depot for like less than $5. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and prep these brackets, remove everything. Depending on the size of wood that you're going to be using, these might come in handy, so hold on to them. These are far too big for my piece of wood, so I'm going to be using the original screws that came with the other shelf. Alright, and I'm going to be using the pre-drilled holes for guidance as to where I'm going to be placing my bracket. Once I know where I'm going to place it, I'm going to generously apply some Gorilla Glue to the bottom of my bracket. And then I'm going to take the small screwdrivers that were on the original shelf and then I'm going to use them to screw this in place. After that's all set, I'm going to place these heavy coasters on the bottom of my shelf to really hold it in place for when the glue dries. And that is it, you guys. Look how cute these turned out. They're super easy to make. And depending on the items that you're going to place on top of your shelf, you might have to use something a little bit stronger than command strips. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.